Hello, everyone, and welcome back with me, Alexander. Today, we have an exciting event to share with you all, hosted by Bitget. Get ready for the Bitget's KCGI copy trading competition. It's a trading challenge like no other, where your skills and knowledge can earn you fantastic rewards. Stick around as we delve into all the details. Are you ready for an exhilarating trading challenge? Bitget presents the KCGI copy trading competition quiz event, where your trading skills and knowledge can earn you fantastic rewards. First, let's talk about the event details. The Bitget's KCGI copy trading competition will run from 11 a.m. September 1, 2023, to 11 a.m. September 15, 2023, in UTC time. Now, let's dive into the exciting rules and rewards of this competition. Rule number 1, Quiz Power. Put your wits to the test and conquer our quiz to grab a share of 30,000 BGB. Participants who achieve a perfect score will have the chance to win big. Don't miss the chance to showcase your trading knowledge and potentially win big. Join the quiz now. The link is in the description below. For more details about the KCGI 2023 event, check out the official page. It's an opportunity to unleash your trading skills. Rule number 2, Trade Triumph. During the event, any future copy trading transaction above $200 will make you eligible to share a prize pool of 10,000 BGB. It's your chance to showcase your trading prowess and earn rewards simultaneously. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, this is your opportunity to trade, learn, and earn. Rule number 3, Team Spirit. Calling all traders and leaders. Form a team and participate in the KCGI copy trading competition. The first 20 team leaders to register will each be awarded 20 USDT. Rally your team and lead them to victory. Team up, strategize, and aim for the top. The rewards and recognition await you. Don't miss out on this thrilling opportunity to put your trading skills to the test, learn from the best, and win incredible rewards. Get ready to rise to the challenge in the Bitget KCGI copy trading competition quiz event. Join now by clicking the link in the description, and let's make this competition a memorable one. Remember to like this video, share it with your fellow traders, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting updates. Good luck, traders, and may the best team win. Until next time, happy trading.